To the residents of Jackson County, serving as Jackson County's state's attorney has been the honor of Joe Cervantez's legal career, and he remains steadfastly committed to upholding justice and safety in our community every day. In 2020, journalist Brian Munoz highlighted Joe's historic election as the first person of color and first Republican in almost 70 years to serve in this office. But for Joe, this role goes beyond race or party. His focus has always been on making a positive impact in Jackson County and transforming the state's attorney's office to better serve its people. The past few years have tested everyone, but especially those in public safety. Joe and his office faced unprecedented challenges, from COVID-19 to implementing the Illinois Safety Act. With no clear path forward, Joe's office became a leader and resource for other counties and law enforcement agencies. Through these difficulties, Joe has strengthened the office, making it more efficient and effective. Each member of his team is dedicated to keeping Jackson County safe, often without the recognition they deserve. Their dedication has strengthened Joe as a leader and an attorney, and he holds deep gratitude for their work. In Joe's first election, he ran with integrity and respect, never attacking his opponent personally or criticizing the office. This election, however, presents a different challenge. His opponent lacks both the experience and understanding required to manage this office and protect Jackson County. Her brief career in public defense, over a decade ago, focused only on traffic cases, pales in comparison to the responsibilities of this role. For the past decade, she has served as a research attorney, a job that requires no courtroom work, no prosecutorial experience, and no management responsibilities. Her politically appointed stint as Williamson County State's Attorney was so short and ineffective that local law enforcement there has endorsed Joe. Her limited experience fails to measure up to the needs of this office. A review of public records shows no trial experience, no significant caseload, and no record of leadership. Her campaign statements about implementing in-house training reveal a lack of understanding, as every attorney on Joe's team has more courtroom experience than she does. Even the newest member has tried more cases in 1 year than she has in her entire career. Under Joe's leadership, the Jackson County State's Attorney's Office filed 761 felony cases in 2023 and conducted more jury trials than any other county in the First and Second Circuits, including multiple murder trials. His office has expanded community programs and added a drug court. In contrast, his opponent criticizes the office's budget without acknowledging the impact of the Safety Act, which she publicly supports, a policy that, Joe believes, fundamentally misunderstands the realities of public safety. Joe's opponent has focused on attacking him, his office, and even his family, rather than offering any meaningful solutions. But Jackson County deserves more than criticism and empty promises. This office is not a political tool. It's a pillar of public safety. Our community cannot afford on-the-job training when it comes to fighting crime and keeping Jackson County safe. Joe's opponent has had ample time in her career to gain real prosecutorial experience and prepare for this role, but has chosen a different path. Joe has put in the work, shown his commitment, and learned from the best on how to run this office effectively. He understands that there is always room for growth, and he is determined to continue making this office stronger. Joe Cervantez's commitment to serving Jackson County is unwavering. He has been a dedicated state's attorney, and he asks for your support to continue this vital work on behalf of our community, our safety, and our future. This message is paid for by the committee to elect Cervantez State's Attorney.